Hey everyone, it's me, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about high-key photography. I'm going to explain what it is, why you might want to use it, and I'm going to give you some helpful examples and tips for making great pictures using this technique. So let's get right into it. High-key photography is a style of shooting that uses very bright light, and as a result, produces an image with lots of white and light colors with very little or even no shadows. This style is often used for product photography, food photography, and fashion photography because it makes the subject really pop out from the frame. It can also be used creatively in portraits and landscapes to really make a unique and sometimes dreamy-looking image. If you're a beginner photographer, high-key images can be a really fun and easy style to experiment with because they can be made with pretty much any camera and any lens. The secret to making high-key images is to control the lighting. You want to have one single light source that is very bright, and you don't want any harsh shadows or contrast in the light. It should be very soft and diffused. One of the easiest ways to achieve this is by taking your shoot outside on an overcast day. The clouds will act as a giant diffuser, softening the light and getting rid of those harsh shadows. Another way to achieve this look is by taking your light source and diffusing it yourself, using a big white sheet or a white umbrella. If you're shooting indoors, you can place your subject close to a window where they'll receive even, soft, indirect light from the sun. Just remember to always shoot with the light, not against it. If you have direct sunlight, try moving your subject into the shade. You still want that, even, soft light. When it comes to actually taking the picture, you want to make sure that your camera is set to a lower ISO shutter, priority, or TV mode on your camera. Your camera will automatically set the aperture to let in the correct amount of light to make sure that your image isn't overexposed. Take a look at this high-key image I shot recently of a friend's newborn baby. I chose to shoot this picture by the window so that I could get that even, soft light. I also brought a white sheet with me to act as a backdrop and to bounce some light onto the baby's face. This style of shooting is so fun, and I hope that you give it a try. Remember, you don't need any fancy gear to take great high-key images. You just need to understand the basics of light and how to control it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more photography tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.